Are you struggling to get good audio into your iPhone during your live broadcasts? Well, if you have a mixer that has a USB port on it, you may be in good luck because I figured out how to get my 15-year-old mixer to get amazing sound into my iPhone just by connecting a USB cable to my phone. Let's check out how we can do this. So as you can see, we have my 15-year-old mixer board, and I'm going to hook up the two microphones that I placed here on my piano. So we're just going to use the two channels, plugging the right microphone in and the left microphone. Make sure the gain is turned up on the microphone itself, which you can see those are the black knobs there. And now we're going to turn up the faders. Now make sure to turn up the master faders as well. Okay, so now we see that there's the USB out there on the back of the mixer, and it comes with its own volume dial. We're going to get the square end of our USB cable and plug it in. Now we are going to attach a USB female to lightning adapter to the other end of the USB cable that's coming out of the mixer board, and we're going to put it right into our iPhone in the charging port there. Hey, thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions or any trouble figuring out your audio on your end, let me know what you're having trouble with and maybe I'll do a video about it on the next episode. So thanks again for tuning in. If you like what you saw, smash that like button and make sure to subscribe and set the bell icon for notifications every time I plan to release a new video. So I'll see you guys next time.